In this video, I will demonstrate how to connect your Zynect sensors to if this then that. Before starting this video, you should create an account on IFTTT.com. Once you have created an account, log in and click Create. This will take you to the Applet creation screen. Applets are a connection between two services and include a trigger, for example a sensor reading above a value, and an action, for example sending an email. The action you select happens whenever the trigger you selected fires. Now, select the this and if this then that. You will be presented with a quilt of different services. Enter Zynect into the search bar and select the Zynect Sensors service. Press the Connect button and log in with your Zynect Sensors account. Now you can select the type of trigger that you would like to use. In this example, we will use the out of range trigger. First, select the sensor that you would like to use from the drop-down. Then input the maximum and minimum acceptable values for your sensor. Finally, choose units that you would like to use. Choose units that correspond with your sensor. For example, if you have a thermote, you would choose either Celsius or Fahrenheit, but if you had a soil mote, you would choose volumetric water content. Finally, click Create Trigger. Now you can choose an action to execute when the trigger we just set up fires. For this example, I will choose the email action. After you have selected the action that you would like to use, click Finish. This saves your applet to if this then that. Now, whenever the sensor I selected reads above 85 degrees or below 70 degrees, I will receive an email from if this then that.